Hello everyone, welcome to Raya Shikshan Sanstha's online learning program. Subject English, Standard 6th, Lesson 3.2, Seven Sisters, Part 2. So students, today we will be covering the rest of the lesson. So here, the fourth sister, Manipur. Hey, I am the fourth sister, Manipur, the jewel land. I am proud to be the jewel of my mother India. I am also known by my nickname Kanglei Park and Sanalei Bab. So it is also known as the jewel of Mother India, and its nicknames are Kanglei Park and Sanalei Bab. Nicknames means formal names. My capital is Imphal, where you can see the cyclistic velodrome. Velodrome means a track or buildings used for cycle racing. Many of my people belong to the Meitei ethnic group and speak Meitei Manipuri language. I have the credit of introducing polo to the European. So, the capital city of Manipur is Imphal, and this state introduced polo to the European. Polo is a sport, one sport. My people's state diet consists of rice, fish, large varieties of leafy vegetables, both aquatic and terrestrial. But my cuisine is so different from the rest of India due to the use of various aromatic herb and roots that are peculiar to my state. So we have noticed up till now that the cuisine pattern is same in all the states, usually rice, fish and green leafy vegetables. Aquatic means living in water and terrestrial means that are living on land. Blessed with an amazing variety of flora and fauna, I am home to a host of a rare endemic plant and animal life here. A treat for the eyes is the Keibul Lamjaw National Park, an abode of the rare and endangered species of brow-antlered deer. This ecosystem contains 17 rare species of mammals. It is the only floating national park of the world. You should come to see the Loktak Lake and floating island. Flora and fauna means flora means the vegetation and the flora means animal life. Okay, and endemic means found in a particular place. So another important key point is that it holds the only floating national park of the world. On Manipuri dance is one of the most acclaimed means appreciated acclaimed classical dance of the India. The folk dance of tribal people captivate the beholders with their exotic costumes and simple but graceful rhythm. You should not fail to witness the Manipuri martial arts, Thang, Thangta and Sarit Sarak. Next is Mizoram. Hello, I am Mizoram. Mizoram implies land of the hill. People refers to as the cookies. I invited you to see my land of lush hill, sheer cliff, serene lake and waterfalls. Sheer cliff means very steep cliff. Serene means very calm. Rolling hills stretch across hundreds of miles and the plain and valleys are covered with lush forest. Lush means very thick forest and thick bamboo groves, green paddy field, vineyard teeming with diverse wildlife. My regret is that not many of you come to visit me. Well, traveling in Mizoram is a little difficult, but it has its own reward. Teeming means full of. The natural beauty here is exquisite and must be seen to be believed. My capital is Aizawl, and from its scenic location, you can get a captivating view of lush Emerald Tuang River Valley in the west and the Turiel River in the east. The museum in the heart of city, Zarqath, portrays the culture of Mizoram with a splendid collection of costume, artifact, and historical lyrics. Historical relics means object from the past. The Palak Lake is the biggest in Mizoram and covered 30 hectares, means 74 acres. Do you know it is believed that the lake was created as a result of an earthquake or a flood? Champai, with its fertile vineyard, is known as the fruit bowl of Mizoram. I am also host to numerous species of birds, wildlife of flora. You can visit to the 2 national parks and 6 wildlife sanctuaries here. So here are 2 national parks and 6 wildlife sanctuaries. Mizo is the official language and the most widely used language. The next one is Nagaland. I am Nagaland, one of the smallest state of India, called the Switzerland of India. Here we have a land of folklore passed down through generation, with music as an integral part of our life. Integral means essential. The exquisitely pictures landscape, the vibrant, colorful sunrise and sunset, lush and verdant flora make my land unimaginably beautiful. Picturesque means very pretty. The state capital is Kohima. So the capital of Nagaland is Kohima. The state is mostly mountainous. Mount Saramati is the highest peak with a height of about 3,840 meters, and its range forms a natural barrier between Nagaland and Burma. Barrier means an object that prevents people from moving one place to another. There are over 16 tribes and subtribes that inhabit my exotic hill state, each with its own unique, colorful, and intricately designed costume, jewelry, and beads that adorn them. Today, many of my young people have ventured into fashion designing, creating fabrics then blend our traditional motifs with modern appeal. So, so much so I have become a paradise for those who are into fashion designing. People refer to me as an affluent fashion station of East. Affluent means very wealthy, very rich. My land is an ideal place of trekking, rock climbing, jungle camping, and offers limitless exploration possibilities in its lush and verdant subtropical rainforest. Here we have an abundance of medicinal herb. So here so many medicinal herbs are also present. I am also known as the Falcon City of World. Falcon means a bird of prey with long pointed wings. So it is also known as a falcon capital of the world. The great Indian hornbill is one of the most famous bird found here. Nagas by nature are lovers of fun and frolic. Fun and frolic means very enjoyment. And here life is one long festival. Dance and songs are a part and a parcel of our Festivities. Most of our dance are performed with a robust rhythm. If you love a colorful life and appreciate ethnic costume and traditions with their unique song, dance and festivals, you must come to our Naga Heritage Village which showcases our cultural heritage. Do come and participate in our Great Hornbill Festival. Showcases means presents something in an attractive way. And the next is the last one is Tripura. Hello, I'm Tripura, the third smallest state and in the country, bordered by Bangladesh to the north, south, and west. Tripura meaning three cities. Tripura also means near water. Some scholars also believe that the land was ruled in ancient time by a king named Tripur. So here are different thinking about the name of this state. So from whom my name emerged. My land has three distinct geographical zones. The hill range which run from north to south, the undulating plateau land and the low-lying alluvial plain. Many rivers nourish my land and sustain the activities of my people. Chief among them are the Gumti, the Muhuri and the Feni. Rice, cotton, jute, tea, tobacco and oil seeds are grown here. The Kokborok speaking Tripuri people are the major group among the many tribes and subtribes. Bengali and Manipuri people have coexisted in peaceful harmony with the people of Tripura for generations. I am rather different for you to access beauty because only one major road and or national highway connected my land with the rest of the country. Agartala is the capital of this state. People come to visit me for ecotourism. Ecotourism means a form of tourism that involves visiting fragile, beautiful, and relatively undisturbed natural area. And archaeological tourism. My lush tea garden and wildlife sanctuaries and my specially set up eco park are a great attraction, as are the famous rock carving at Deotamura. The Neer Mahal is a generous red and white water palace, empty but shimmering on its own island in the lake of Rudra Sagar. People of all communities and tribes participate in state festivals like Garia, Durga Puja, Buddha Purnima, Kharchi, Paus, Sankranti, Bijuhu or Christmas. Come and visit me. You will be fascinated by my rich cultural heritage, beautiful palaces, wildlife sanctuaries, historical temples, palaces and museum. My folk dances will enthrall you. Enthrall means capture your interest with its beauty. So the folk dances will enthrall you and my people will welcome you with warmth and courtesy. So these are the seven sisters. I think you all have understood this. So just read the chapter again and do the activity. Thank you.